Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to make this twisted leather zipper pull. Let's start with the supplies you'll need. A D-ring zipper pull, a cut of leather, a ruler, rotary cutter, sharp blade, and good scissors. You'll start by measuring the inside diameter of the D-ring zipper pull. Next, you will cut a strip of leather approximately 6 inches long and slightly narrower than the D-ring. Identify the center of the strap, measure over 1 inch, and then slice the strap down the middle lengthwise approximately 1 to 1.5 inches. Repeat these steps for the other side. Next, you will slide the strap into the D-ring. And here's where the magic happens. Line up the ends and then tuck them through the center cut. Pull gently and straighten out the edges. You will want to secure the areas above and below the twists with some glue. Add clips to hold the pieces together while the glue dries. Once dry, you can clip the ends at an angle or leave them straight. And now the zipper pull is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.